Hey kids, it's me, Snake.
And JmanPanda.
No, you're wrong.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, cool. Anyways, so we have some little beans here, which are probably gonna make us vomit.
It's not Bean Boozled. It's Harry Potter Birdie Bots every flavor beans. It's different because we're dorks and we can't go with dorks. No.
And we can't buy the regular brand.
Yeah. We realize this is different than the normal video where we do games and stuff, but you know.
We're gonna be doing more of these sometime, never.
Yes. Okay, let's get started.
I hate
so
this lighting.
basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a bean and we're gonna eat it, and the last one to throw up, and the last one to spit out the bean, like the last one to not swallow it, loses, and then they have to complete a forfeit, a challenge, a bad thing, and it's we don't know.
Something tells me we can't do all 6 boxes today, so we'll have a part 2 to 3.
Maybe.
We're not
gonna
doing
eat
all of them.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll do 1 box.
So now we're just gonna pour them.
That's
in this
enough.
bowl. Yeah, we're gonna pour them in this bowl. No, we'll pour all 6 boxes in there because we're not gonna have 6 parts to this.
2. Pour 3 in there.
I'm pouring all 6. Don't worry about it. They're magical beans.
No, they're not. I don't like this at all now. Just kidding. I'm funny.
No, you're not.
I think I'm
What
funny.
made you think that?
Nothing.
All right,
This is a fantabulous idea.
We got
and
a
we're
bowl
both
of
good at that.
disgusting. That's good.
We got a bowl of disgusting and 10% good.
Oh, crap.
It's a bad one.
It'll taste bad if you do that.
Shut up.
Alright.
I don't like the fact that it's a bad one. It's on the ground.
Ivan, stop. Why'd you put that in the bowl? Okay. I will do the first bean. It's good. It's not bad.
I'm surprised at that.
And we're gonna do the same bean each time. So that's the same one as mine. I think it's cherry. So I don't know. And this one, it's not.
No, that's cinnamon.
Oh, okay. So we got different ones because mine was cherry.
Oh, we just get different ones. All right. How about we do it on the count of 3?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. We just pick a random one.
Yeah. Oh God.
Okay.
Lemon. Thank God.
Grass clippings.
Nice.
All right. 3.
2, 1.
Oh. What's yours? Cherry?
I don't know.
I think
Cherry. Yeah.
Yeah, mine's the same. Oh, mine's black pepper. Gosh dang it. Oh!
What is that?
Hit me like a truck. That's black pepper. Mine is.
What was mine?
Gosh.
Rotten egg.
Alright. Oh, the black pepper's awful.
Oh, look, it's
I don't
lingering.
even know what this one is.
Oh, thank God, it's another lemon one.
What is this? Like diapers. Soap.
Soap. I want soap.
Ew.
I want soap.
No, it's awful.
Never mind.
3.
2.
Oh gosh.
Dirt. Oh God, it's earthworm.
I think I got candy floss. That's not bad. Earthworm.
It's Britain, so they call candy floss cotton candy.
Oh. They call cotton candy candy floss. You mean that? Earthworm. That's awful.
I hate that.
Well, ew. I swear, if this is earwax, I'm gonna kill myself.
I've gotten lemon 3 times.
Oh, it's marshmallow. Oh, there's a straggler.
That you should have. These look like marbles. I want one.
All right. Blueberry, I think.
It's soap.
Yeah, it's blueberry. Yeah, the soap one's not good, is it?
I actually like it.
Oh, okay.
Gotta toss it in.
It's bad. Ew.
Ow!
It went into the spit bucket.
Does that mean we both fail?
Ah! I think that was vomit or rotten egg. Hold on.
I remember I did one of the Bean Boozled ones, and I got vomit.
Yeah,
I was like,
that was vomit. Ew.
I don't like the fact that these people know what vomit tastes like.
Yeah, for real. Oh, it's cherry.
Blueberry.
Huh, both are good. Oh,
Yeah.
no, it's cinnamon, actually.
You know, when you get a break, it's good, and I like it.
Cinnamon's not that bad, but... Oh.
This
I'm
is
not
already
really
a 6-minute video, and I love that.
Alright.
Alright, we're gonna eat 50 at once. I grabbed 4.
Alright, 2 at once, 2 at once. Okay. Oh. I think I got candy floss and lemon, lime. What's the green ones? Booger and green apple. I got green apple.
Got my 2.
and candy floss. Alright.
This is soap and lemon. I like this combination already.
I think this is grass clippings and booger. So. Oh, grass clippings and booger. Oh, shoot. Booger is not good.
Oh, that was the... Lemon favorite favored slope. I love
Just one now.
I love that. Fine. I took 3 we're supposed to take 2. I took 3. Just kidding.
Alright. Random one.
That's fine.
Ah, it's black pepper.
Black Panther.
Yeah, black pepper's not good. I don't like it.
That's bad. And I don't like it because I don't know what it was.
Alright.
I missed.
Alright. Two at once.
Toothpaste.
Oh, it's Christmas. Black, red, and green, not black and
Jingle
green.
bells, the children smell.
Cherry and grass clippings, not bad.
These taste terrible. Wait.
Is this booger? No, this is marshmallow. Marshmallow.
Oh! Got vomit.
Oh, I got earthworm. Oh, earthworm is bad.
The bad ones are bad.
Yes, the bad ones are bad.
Give me a watermelon.
I think this is probably dog food if that's one of the flavors.
Black pepper tastes
This is
bad.
either dirt or sausage. Yeah, black pepper is not good.
How can beans be spicy? What in the name of Jesus?
What in the name of Hergenrader?
Oh my.
Mr. Hergenrader's YouTube channel. Yeah, I got dirt. It's this one. Blueberry?
I know what it is. I know what some of them are. But at the same time, I don't.
Neither of us are going to spit them out. This really isn't going to go. Like...
We'll just do the challenge for no reason at the end whatsoever. We'll just do it anyways.
Yeah, we'll both do it.
What's the challenge?
Kill ourselves.
You're a lie.
Sure.
Blueberry. Okay.
I think this is
We'll do
pretty
3
enough.
more, and then we'll do the challenge.
Yes. What's the challenge? What? Okay.
Yeah. For some reason, I thought soap would be good. Yeah. All right. Last 3.
All right.
We're getting 3 at once?
4.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna. Oh, shit.
Why are these all green?
Okay. We're gonna one more.
I'm
All right,
putting
I
in
got-
my green for another green.
I got pink, green, and red.
I got green, green, and green.
The Incredible Hulk. All right, ready, set, go. All 3 at once.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awful. Really bad. I don't like that. I don't. No, that's terrible.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the like button and do
I
this.
don't know why you did. You should probably see mental health.
Anyway, like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and leave a comment if you wanted to see us to do something stupid next. And finally, now we have the challenge.
Pause.
No. Welcome to the challenge, other known as the trampoline thing, where you have to do 1 front flip, and that's the only challenge because we're both bad and we can't spit anything out for some reason, which is probably a good thing.
Yeah. And it's funny because we both can't do a front flip as far as I know. So.
Fight me and go to Jump Street.
Okay. Sounds good. Oh, am I going? Right
Yeah,
now?
you're going.
All right. Oh, ow.
3, 5.
Dude, my leg is dying inside, so I don't think I can actually.
I knew it would come to this. Yeah.
There's also a bunch of acorns on the trampoline.
Do it.
And it's gonna hurt really bad. So that's part of the challenge. Is it's really actually gonna hurt. So.
Do it.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
At 34. All right, fine.
Just go, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah.
Ow! Ah, that hurt.
Enjoy it. Okay, we're back.
Yep. Renavi needs to take his boot off.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. All right. Good luck, Bucko.
All right.
That was not a flip.
Shut up. But you know what is a flip? That.
Whoa, you landed it. Dude, I totally landed on my butt and, like,
You
tore
rolled.
my back up.
All right.
That's
fun.
because I'm fat. All right.
Once
Guys,
again, thanks for
I
watching,
enjoyed
and if you enjoyed it, you have a serious mental condition. Anyways, bye.
Please like and subscribe and kill yourself. What?
He didn't mean that, or did he?
Don't do it.
Don't do that. Okay, bye.